Hello and welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to show you how to make a mouth-watering chicken biryani recipe. Biryani is a popular South Asian dish made with flavorful spices and long-grain rice. It's a perfect dish to enjoy with family and friends, and it's sure to impress anyone who tastes it. To start, we're going to marinate our chicken. Take 500 grams of boneless chicken pieces and add in 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, 1 tablespoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, and 1 teaspoon of coriander powder. Mix well and set aside for 30 minutes. Next, we're going to cook our rice. Take 2 cups of long grain rice and rinse it well. In a separate pot, bring 4 cups of water to a boil, then add in the rice, along with 1 cinnamon stick, 2 cardamom pods, and 2 cloves. Cook the rice for 10 minutes until it's about 70% cooked, then strain and set aside. Now it's time to assemble our biryani. In a large pot, heat up 2 tablespoons of oil and sauté 2 sliced onions until they're golden brown. Add in the marinated chicken, and cook for 10 minutes until it's browned on all sides. Layer half of the partially cooked rice on top of the chicken, then sprinkle with some chopped mint leaves and fried onions. Repeat the layering process with the remaining rice, mint leaves, and fried onions. Cover the pot with a tight-fitting lid and cook on low heat for 20 minutes until the rice is fully cooked and the chicken is tender. Finally, garnish with some more fried onions and chopped coriander leaves, and serve hot with raita or any side dish of your choice. And there you have it, a delicious and authentic chicken biryani recipe that's sure to impress your taste buds. If this recipe is not in let us know how it turns out in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more amazing recipes. Thank you for watching.